Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make different modes on iPhone. Creating different modes on iPhone gives your device a fresh feel and allows you to personalize automation based on your needs. And here are the easy steps to make different modes on iPhone. First is to unlock your iPhone, then open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Focus. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. Then choose Custom. Enter a name for a new mode. For example, is work, sleep, study, gaming, etc. Choose an icon and color for the mode. Tap Next, then tap Customize Focus. Go to Choose People. Here, choose People. Allowed to notify you, or you can tap the silence notifications from or none if there's an option, then hit the check button. Go to Choose Apps. Here, choose the apps you allow to send notifications and hit the check button. Go to Customize Screens. Here, choose a lock screen or home screen layout for this mode and tap Choose Your Layout and tap the check button. Tap Add Schedule or Automation like time, location, or app based. Tap Done or Closing Settings. Your new mode is now ready to use. Extra tips: switch modes quickly via Control Center, and each mode can have different wallpapers and widgets. Great for productivity, sleep, and focus. Works on iOS 15 and later. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.